My name is Dawn Snyder, and I began working here before the Nature Center was built. I started with Woodbury County Conservation Board in 1988, so just a little over 30 years ago. The Nature Center opened in 1995, so we're just a little over 23 years old. So the Nature Center was a project that our Conservation Board set as a priority shortly after I was hired in 1988, and then it took us from about 1990 to 91 until 95 to raise the money and complete the building. Our mission is to provide environmental education and outdoor recreation opportunities for the public, and our main goal of being able to do that is to showcase the different plants and animals, the Les Hills, and our natural history of this region to hopefully engage people to learn more about their natural environment.
The burl oak is the dominant tree of Midwest forests. Burl oaks have massive root systems that are a mirror image of the trunk and branches. These root systems enable the burl oaks to compete with other trees and native prairie grasses. Competition for sunlight, water, and nutrients determine the growth habits of trees. As you explore our trails, note the differences between oaks found in the forest versus those living along the prairie edge.
Well, here in the Nature Center, we do have some live animals on exhibit that are our permanent education animals. We have some ornate box turtles, some three-toed box turtles. We have 4 different types of snakes. Not all of them are on display, but we do have some snakes. We have a fox snake, a milk snake, a bull snake, and a corn snake. We also have an aquarium with local river fish. We have our honeybees, our active honeybee hive. We have a tiger salamander. And our big ambassadors, the newest additions would be our live birds of prey. We have Skye the American kestrel. We have Harlan the barred owl, and Scarlet the red-tailed hawk. Those are within the Nature Center. Obviously, outdoors in Stone State Park, we have over 350 different species of birds that migrate through the park and have been counted in the park. There's lots of different other wildlife as far as mammals. Common ones would be deer, coyote, red fox, possums, raccoons, squirrels, all sorts of other songbirds, and of course there's always the insects and reptiles and amphibians too. Our activities for kids and families are probably our biggest focus that we have here. Throughout the school year, we have programs with the schools for field trips. We also have weekend programs and evening programs for youth. One of those biggest events for youth and for kids is our summer day camps. So during the summer months, we have different camps that are available for ages 3-year-olds all the way up to 13-year-olds with different sessions of camps. So you might be out on the trail, you might be doing crafts, you might be hiking, playing nature games, learning about the plants and animals and the prairies and the lush hills and the forests. Those are most of our programmings that we offer for the kids and families. Adult activities, sure, we do offer some as well. Tyler, our resource naturalist, does a lot with the adult programming, and including map and compass, fire building, other activities more with different, survival skill type of slant. But we also have nature activities and bird watching and other focus areas as far as different. It just really depends on the time of year. We offer a lot of different programs, trying to reach a different audience each time. My favorite part of the Nature Center is probably our outdoor programming or outdoor trails in our nature playscape. That's a really popular area for the youth and kids and families. So it's located just a short little hike off of our trails for kids to climb and build and just really explore more and be in a kind of an outdoor nature playground. We have a lot of different opportunities, so if you're coming here for the first time, I would invite you to explore the exhibit area and learn a little bit more about what we have, taking a short hike. We have great volunteer opportunities, so if you're somebody that's going to be here on a local basis and able to come and assist with our trail maintenance or working in the garden or helping feed our animals, assisting with any programs or our summer camps, those would be really good opportunities for someone that has that interest. You're very welcome. Thank you for featuring us.